Aruna Ganesan, please unmute yourself.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Be blessed. Good evening.
Sir, this question is for my husband. And his career is very stagnant for the past 3 years. And he also started a side business along with his brother. He is quite creative, and that is also not grown up well, basically. So just wanted to understand if there will be any change in his career.
Was he ever making a lot of money, succeeding before?
No, sir, but he
Never
was
ah?
quite in
his
he-
entire life. Ah?
not like that, but he finance wise not really good, but he had a position in his company, good
Okay.
position. However, he had some clash with his boss and he resigned, and it has not been very good for the past 3 years. He resigned and he joined another company around in the month of February this year, and it's not been really very good there also. Monetary wise, not really great as well.
Understood. Do you have his date of birth, time of birth, place of birth?
Yes, sir, I have.
What details? What's his name?
His name is Srivatsa.
Okay, date of birth.
13th February 1982.
Time of birth.
6:15 a.m.
Place of birth.
Kumbakonam.
Be blessed. All right. Moon in Chitra Nakshatra. His Janma Nakshatra is Chitra. Kanni Rasi. Correct?
Correct, sir.
You may not remember the ascendant Lagna, but it is Capricorn. All right. Why is this gentleman suffering? Rahu in the 6th house. 2nd house is empty. No planet there. 11th house. No planet there. 8th house. 3 planet உட்கார்ந்துட்டு Mars is in 8th house. Saturn is in 8th house.
All in Chitra Nakshatra, sir.
All in Chitra Nakshatra. They're all conjunct with each other. Perhaps Mars is slightly away from conjunction with Saturn, but Saturn and Moon are conjunct with each other. Very Sun is in Rahu's star. Rahu itself is in Jupiter's star. He got late marriage, huh?
No, sir. At the
When
age
did he
of
get married?
September 5th, 2010.
Mars is in Mars' own star. Saturn is in Mars. Moon is in Saturn's star. Sun is in Sun is in Mars star. So therefore, Punarpu dosha got cancelled. Okay. Very nice. Excellent example for this. Kamalesh, note this. In our advanced astrology class, I will remind me to show this example for cancellation of Punarpu dosha. Okay? All
sir,
right.
Punarpu dosha is cancelled, sir.
Yeah, because Sun is in Mars star. Mars is very closely conjunct with Saturn.
Okay, fine.
You understand astrology?
Yes, sir.
Very nice.
I have joined your foundation course.
See, here is a classic example where Mars is sitting in Virgo at 2518. Okay, na? Now correct. Saturn is in Virgo at 2835. Very close. If very you close. Take 3 degree, 20 degree, 3 degrees and 20 degree minutes as a conjunction, then Mars is conjunct with Saturn.
Correct.
But Saturn and Moon are conjunct with each other 100%. Saturn is in 2835, Moon is in Virgo at 2856. So there is Punarpu dosha. Yes. Sun is in Mars star.
Yeah, understood. But I read in your notes
Mars is conjunct with Saturn and Moon. Therefore, cancellation.
Okay, sir.
If Sun is in a star of a planet which is conjunct with Saturn and Moon, then cancellation happens. That is what is happening. Okay. That is why he got married before 33. Otherwise, he would have gotten married only after 33. Fair enough. But there are 3 planets in 8th house. There are 3 planets in the 12th house out of 9 planets.
Yes, sir. That is only worrying me, actually.
Don't worry. Let's see. Right. He started Saturn Dasa in 6th of March 2020.
Exactly.
It's running. He just finished his Saturn Dasa, Saturn Bhukti on the 3rd of April, 10th of March 2023. Saturn Dasa, Saturn Bhukti over. Now he started Mercury Bhukti. Saturn is in Mars star. Both Saturn and Mars are in the 8th house. But Mars is owning the 3rd house, 11th house, and the 10th
Okay.
house. The displays cusp in Scorpio, 10 and 11. So 3, 8, 10, 11. Fair enough. What is Mercury saying? What is the Saturn sub is also Saturn, owning the Lagna Bhava, owning the second Bhava. So it's 1, 2, 3, 8, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 8, 10, 11. Mercury is in Sun star in the Lagna Bhava, owning the 8th Bhava.
Yes,
What is
sir.
this,
Yes.
ma?
Sir, I am seeing his chart every time I'm getting scared, sir. That is why.
You will have long lives for sure. The thing is, people like this who are having difficulties and struggles in life generally will have two things. One is they will have unearned income. They don't have to work hard, they will earn money. Number one. Number two, that they will live very long. They will be
Okay.
struggling, but they will live a very long life. They will generally they don't die very easily. 66 beyond. No house and he is having a Terra Rasi. 11th house. No planet in the 11th house. Only Mars will give the 11th house benefit. Saturn moon in 11th house, Saturn moon in Mars star, fair enough, but still, hey, he cannot, you have to check the Lagna Bhava and check Lagna Bhava. Here it says Rahu, but I generally don't really believe in the birth chart accuracy. There will be some errors. Rahu in Jupiter star, and Jupiter is sitting in the 9th house and connecting to 12th house. So, not connecting to Maraka Bhataka according to his birth chart. If this is the true birth chart, and 1 minute, 2 minutes here, there, difference is not there, full life for him. 8 and 12 combination will put him into a lot of struggle. Mercury is in the sub of Venus. Venus owns 4, 5, 9, 12. 4, 5, 9, 12. You can study a lot. This is a nice time to sit and study. Venus is conjunct with Ketu also. This period, ask him to spend more time on higher education. If he wants to do something, ask him to do it in your name. Let him not do anything on his own name. You understand what I'm saying? Arunaji,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
anything that he touches will have to be in your name. If he wants to start something, let him start it, but let it be in your name. Instead of going for a partner outside of his life, outside of the house, let him put you as the main person.
Okay.
All right, and do it. Contact me through WhatsApp. Let us see what I can do to help you in that respect. Okay, we'll take a separate thing offline. We will discuss. All right.
Okay.
Don't worry
Sir,
about paying any money and fixing appointment. This person needs help. I will certainly help. Okay. And don't give up heart. Okay. It doesn't mean that he is going to be suffering throughout his life. Struggles will be there. That's all. Rahu is sitting in the 6th house. No. Somewhere some help will come from some place. I don't know where it will come. It will come. Sun is also deposited in the Lagna. So Sun is fairly strong. That will give him good results. Sun is in the sub of Mercury. Mercury is owning the 6th house, a bit of 12th house is there. But anyway, we will see, ma. We will see. Okay. Mars will give some struggle, but it is owning 3, 10, and 11. All three are improving bhavas. It will eventually do good for this person.
okay, sir. I mean,
Okay.
okay. He has a lot of talent, but the problem is nothing is getting materialized.
Wait for some time. Mars, Venus, Saturn is the ruling planet. See, Mercury definitely should do good for him, without a doubt, because Mercury is in the star of Sun. Sun is deposited in the Lagna Bhava, improving Bhava, 100% things should improve. All right. And Mercury also owns the 6th house. So some struggle things will improve for him, but it will take a little bit of time. How long it will take? It will take in Mars, Venus, Saturn combination. Mars, Venus, Sun is already in Gemini today. Mercury is not there. There is no Saturn, Mars, Venus. Mars, Venus in the ninth bhava. So wait for 1, 2, 3, 4 months. Exactly 4 months from today, things will start to move for him. When Sun transits into Chitra Nakshatra, his own birth star, things will start to move forward for him.
Okay, sir.
Okay, somewhere some travel or some foreign connection will happen, and or he will come up with some creative new ideas, or he will find some peace through his mental practices. Jupiter sitting in the ninth house, no, his guru connection will be very strong. Ask him to go learn Vedatri Sky Yoga Center, connect with him and ask him to learn simplified Kundalini Yoga and meditation. Ask him to practice, it will be highly beneficial.
Yes, sir. I have been telling him, but he's not doing.
It will happen, it will happen. Wait for some.
Okay.
It will
Okay, sir.
happen. Okay, good luck, ma.
Thank you.
Be
Thank you.
blessed.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.